Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find sound and vibration section. Now let's scroll down to find the ringtone section, and as you can see we've got two different options. So we've got the ringtone which is connected with incoming calls and the notification sound. So let me show you how to change the ringtone using the actual ringtone. So let's tap on it. Here we've got to give all the permissions, of course, and as you can see we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all available system ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we've got here the custom option, so on this device we can enter this option, and if you will have any compatible files, for example downloaded, they will appear right here, so you'll be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me get back. And here we've got the vibration option. Of course you can enter here and you can set special vibration patterns or set no vibration. So if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds before setting it, actually you have to tap on it and you can hear how it sounds. What's more, you can feel the vibration also, trust me. So basically just tap on it and check, and if you're happy with your choice, so for example if you'd like to set the dreams, just like in my case, just make sure that this option is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call, and of course it will work the same with the notification sound. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.